Hello friends, in this video I will show how to check if your PC or laptop can run Windows 11. So open any web browser or search PC Health Check and download and install. So it will provide you all information about your system. Your Windows 10 is able to use it to able to install Windows 11 or not. So thanks for watching. Just guys, 3 steps. Open any web browser, search PC Health Check, and you will see official page. So guys, just you have to search PC Health Check Windows 11 for Windows 11. So open any browser and search this one. Now open this page, meet Windows 11. See if you are eligible for upgrade. Go to your PC and download the PC Health Check app to see if your PC can run Windows 11 or not. I'm using already Windows 11, so I'm not able to download that application. But this is the tool and this is the official tool from Microsoft. So scroll down and you will see that tool to download. So just guys, you have to download and install as we are installing other application. And once you run that application, so it will show you the information your PC is eligible to upgrade Windows 11 or not. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.